What's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some chicken kebabs on the air fryer, and this is a collaboration with my good buddy, Cooking with CJ. Now I'll leave CJ's channel and his video down in the video description, so that way you can go check him out. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe. That way I can show you how to make it. Okay, so before we start getting our chicken prepared for this, basically what I did is I just kind of made little squares out of bell pepper. I cut the mushrooms in about fourths, little squares again with the onion, and then a little about a half-inch thick or about an inch thick of the zucchinis. So these are gonna go on the skewers with the chicken. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate our chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna be marinating the chicken with a homemade barbecue rub that I have. It's just something that I have ready. So, but you can actually use any barbecue rub or any all-purpose seasoning or anything that you feel that would be tasty on this. But just go ahead and use your own seasoning. But yeah, this is what I have available, so this is what I'm gonna be using. Let's go ahead and give a nice little coat of your seasoning. Go ahead and rub it into the chicken. You want to make sure that you want the meat of the chicken to look the same color as your marinade. A little bit more on this one. Same thing on the back. And just give it a rub. Now just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of these. So I'll actually cut that portion out of the video. So we'll show you to the next part. Okay, so I already pretty much prepared all our chicken. Just to show you how I cut it, I just took the pieces, cut them in half. And just cut them in half again, so that way I end up with 4 pieces. Same thing with the bottom. Cut that in half. If you get a little bit bigger pieces, go ahead and you can cut them again. But you want to add just a little bit more of that rub. Just, you know, give it a rub on there. Alright, we're ready to start doing our skewers. Alright, so we're gonna go with zucchini first. Do a piece of meat. Do a mushroom. Do another piece of meat. Actually, we'll cap it off like that. Zucchini, chicken, mushroom, chicken, bell pepper chicken, onion chicken, zucchini, chicken. So that's gonna be our skewers right there. Alright, so I'll just finish the rest of these and we'll go on to the next section. Okay, so we're gonna preheat our air fryer for 380 degrees. 12 minutes. Once it's heated up, I'll get back to you. Okay, so our air fryer is preheated. So you see we have this little rack here, that's where we're gonna put our skewers. Be really careful because it's probably hot. Okay, so we're gonna set our cooking temperature at 380 degrees. And we're gonna start them off at 8 minutes to start off with. We'll come back and check up on them. One thing to note, I have the vent open on this air fryer. This is the Nuwave Brio air fryer 10 quart. This has an option to have the vent open or closed. It said that if the vent is open, it gives you the true air fryer experience. Also too, if you're interested in this is the Nuwave Brio air fryer again. I have a link down in the description of the video so you can pick yourself up one. So we'll get back to you as soon as this 8 minutes is done. Okay, so that 8 minutes is over. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. I need to see how I can flip these. There we go. Let's go ahead and give everything a flip. Okay, so we're gonna set this at 380 degrees again. And we're gonna cook it for another 8 minutes. See you back. Alright, so that one's done. It's looking good. It's looking good. We're gonna do it for another 8 minutes. And just go ahead and give these a flip. Oh man, the color on that chicken is looking good. Alright, so last 8 minutes. Alright, so our last 8 minutes. Alright, that is it, folks. Look at those kebabs. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that kebab right there. Alright. Let me go ahead and take these out. So in 24 minutes, this is what you get. A nice beautiful kebab with the chicken nicely done. Let me test out this, test out the chicken. It's got a little crisp to it. Good flavor from the seasoning. You know, and you're gonna get the freshness from the grill, the air fried veggies. Looks like a winner to me. Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is a collaboration with Cooking with CJ. I'll leave his video down in the video description so that way you can go check out his video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that way you can see all my future videos. And if you have any questions or anything to say about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section. And do me a favor, hit that like button. Now y'all take care and be beautiful.
Thank you.